Explain myself. Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Sophie oughta cut up to you. Yeah. Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're out here on Lacassine National Wildlife Refuge, Nail Gator Tail. We're gonna try and catch some bass.
Yep.
See what happens.
Here. It's we got some good pressure today.
29.9.
Yep. Water's kind of murky. Some parts it's clear. So we're gonna see what we can do. Try to catch some bass.
See what we get into. Come on, come with us. Put that somewhere. Got a gator tail. We can do anything in this thing. Watch, make sure that bag doesn't fly out. Before we leave, we gotta grab these things and make videos with them.
Exactly where to get them.
Huh?
Exactly.
Me too. Yeah. Ready? What color are you fishing with? Green?
No, like
I'm gonna fish with the blue. Alright. Alright guys, this is the bait of choice today. Some yum dingers. We got some garlic. We're gonna make the tail green. Hopefully not spill this everywhere, like my dad did. Oh, get your whiff of that.
I got dirt purple.
It's like smelling salts. Oh, I don't want to spill this on nothing. Under pressure, open slowly. Alright. So, let's go ahead and get our bait hooked up first. Dirt purple. I got purple with blue flake. I don't think we can play music on it on YouTube. Probably get demonetized. We're not that big anyways. They're not gonna matter. Alright, so the key to this attractant, and it starts like smell. Oh, I got it on my fingers already. Look at that. Get just the tail in it. Look at that. Throw that in the water. I'm gonna put this in its own like little bag. Look at that. Are you? Did you? Let's go, guys. Let's get it started. Great backlash to start. Drip. Splash. Got one? Thought you had grass? Oh, it came off. No. I thought you had grass for a second. Little dink. Chill. Chill. Hope the camera's on. I think it is. Little bass. Kiss it for good luck. On the market right here. This one. Creamy coconut too. Has to be creamy coconut. Probably drifting right on top of my bait, but
Second best.
second best. Ah, man. So good. I knew it. I was right on top of my bait. Huh? 4 of them. Dude, what the heck is with me and these little bitty fish, bro? I was reeling it in. Go ahead and put it down. Yeah, you're good. I think I was videoing for that too.
You were?
I think so. This is the kind of fish that I catch right here. These little freaking dinks. See you, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Boom. Had one. Look, they're schooling back here. That is definitely thunder. God, imagine we got stuck in the rain. Roll the clip of us getting stuck in the rain right now. Go. They're hitting all over the water over here. Yeah. Yeah. Right there. Is that you? That just threw?
Yeah.
Dump. Oh my God, that is thunder. You're not setting the hook very hard.
No, I'm not, because it's baby fish.
I'm setting it like it's a 10-pounder every time. I don't care. God, this boat is dirty, son. Golly. Just gonna let them have it. What am I supposed to do? Rod's sitting here going like this. Look at my rod. Oh my gosh. No, oh my gosh. Dude, my rod's going crazy. Throwback here, I'm serious. Right there. You'll feel it. I
don't think it's fast.
I don't know either.
Only got one.
They pecking it?
Nice.
Get him. Good one. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Oh, I got one too. Oh, no, I don't. Never mind.
That's a good one. It's not even a pound. Probably 5 ounces.
Hold it up. Let's see it.
Yeah, baby.
10 pounders right there. Padoosh.
Some more ditch pickles, baby.
Oh my gosh. Grass bass. Holy crap. I thought I had a giant. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How do you even do that? Schooling over there? Yeah, I felt my line start swimming away as I was reeling it in. I was like, look at that. Gets it for good luck. Oof. Yeah.
What up?
How many I caught?
As soon as we pulled up, I threw my rod out, and we caught a big ass red. I've seen your picture. It had 9 like dots on it.
Nine spots. Awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you a picture. So we caught one of them, and we've caught 4 hardheads.
I got you.
And we've been here for like 45 minutes. I told them we got 600 here.
You got fish? You got a fish on one?
Yeah, we got fish on right here. You running to?
Yeah. He's only been there for 45 minutes, he said. He's still running or what?
He's off.
How long are y'all gonna stay?
I don't know. But we were supposed to. We forgot our damn net, and we can't reach down and grab the fish, so we have to bring it all the way to the rocks on the ship channel.
Yeah.
But I'll send you a picture of that red.
Alright, dude. Did you measure how big it was?
Nah, it was probably like 35, I guess.
I got you. Alrighty.
I was fighting that bitch for like, Dad, I'm loosening that drag. I was fighting that bitch for like 20 minutes. I thought. Alright, see ya.
Alright, bro. I'm getting bit right now. It's been happening to me too. I got bones laying next to my phone. I have been, I just turned it off. A video of the conversation with Roberts. Dead or alive now.
For Labor Day, I'll have like 5 days off.
For real. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good one. Checks camera mid reeling. Look. With the sunset. Look at that. Took. Just fishing out here. You got one too? This is where we sat and caught like 15 of our fish right here last time. Yeah. Just out here, just chilling. Alright guys, thanks for watching our video. I know we didn't catch a bunch of fish.
Yep.
I don't even know if I got any fish on camera. Hopefully I did. Hopefully we did.
Get swarmed by deer flies, but
we're enjoying this beautiful sunset out here. So
yep.
we'll see y'all again.
Yep.
Try to get